Hi everyone and mabuhay! Welcome back to another new video, and today I decided why not teach you guys crochet basics. First lesson is how to slip knot and how to chain. But first, before we start, what exactly is a slip knot and a chain? A slip knot is basically the first loop and knot that you make when making a crochet piece so that everything else doesn't fall off. Next is a chain. A chain is the next basic foundation that you will have in your crochet piece. And if you will notice, it kind of looks like a fishtail braid. But without further ado, let's get on with the tutorial. Firstly, how to slip knot. Now, what you want to do is to get your yarn, the end of your yarn from your stash, put it over your first two fingers like so. Cross the smaller strand over the longer strand, take the longer strand, and pull it through the loop. Now you have a slip knot. Now when you take your hook and insert it into the loop, it should be adjustable to the size. And tada! You guys have a slip knot. Next, how to chain. So now that we've learned how to slip knot, let's do that just really quick right there. Perfect. Take your hook and insert it into the loop. Adjust the knot and tighten it over the hook. Now to make a chain, take your longer strand, yarn over the hook, and slowly pull it through the loop. Next, yarn over, and slowly pull through the loop. Now you have your chain. Now continue doing that until you have a desired amount of chains. I highly suggest 10, especially if you're just practicing the basic stitches. And that's how you do a chain. Now you are knowledgeable of the basic foundations in crocheting, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to always create with a smile.